Thinksters, today we want to have a look at generator comprehensions. So we can make this code much easier, much simpler, and write it in only one line. Until now we only saw this type of generators. We use the def and a function, and we use the yield keyword. But we can make that much shorter and write it in one single line. This is pretty similar to list comprehensions. So first of all, I want to show you how this code works. We can iterate over our generator and we get all the values from 0 up to 99. So now we want to make this much shorter, and we can simply use the generator comprehension. A list comprehension uses brackets, so you would put these around it, and a generator comprehension uses the parentheses. So let's say we want to create just exactly the same functionality which we had before. So we write x for x in range 100. That's exactly what we had before. And when we run it, we have to remove the parentheses. So you see here it works exactly the same. We get all the numbers from 0 up to 99, and we could make it in one single line. So here you see it's very simple to write a generator. Maybe we want all the square numbers. So here you have them from up to 99 squared. And now I also want to show you the space difference. So we have a list with also all the square numbers from 0 squared to 99 squared. And we can use from the sys module, we can use a functionality. It's called get size of. So print sys.get size of, and the size of G, our generator comprehension and the list comprehension. And you see there is a big difference. The generator is much smaller, uses much less space, and you will see this increases, the difference increases. Here we have a constant memory space usage, and this of the list comprehension, obviously it increases because we have all the list in memory, yeah, and it will become bigger and bigger if we put more elements in the list, whereas the generator is not yet executed, so it will only generate the next number when it's called, when it's called by the next function. You remember it from the first videos. If not, go back and watch these videos. So this is what I told you from the beginning. The generator only loads into memory what is processed at the moment. So you can have potentially infinite sequences because you will only generate the next number when you need it. Whereas a list comprehension, or a list in general, you have to create it from the beginning. You put all the values in the list and it's in memory. And if the list becomes very large, you will need a very large memory space to store the list. So remember these two things. You use parentheses to create a generator comprehension. We also saw how you would implement it with the yield statement as we used to do it before. And generators need very little space. You can check it with the get size of function from the sys module. For more questions, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video.